Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We're back with another one, Bafetu. Moscow straight from MTN victory, MTN 8 victory, Bafetu. As you can see, Bafetu, Mapagania Chablili, Bafetu. People have been passing by, Bafetu. Barsaine, or Bopa, Pagania, Bopa, Mr. Mlambo. We're playing against the team Yakulsu to the Ori. What do you know about the team?
Angazi lutho ntanga, angazi lutho about that team. Igama ngiyaqala ukulizwa. Yeah, but like I think it's going to be a challenge because nabo ukuthi bafike lapha I think they are a good team. Amakase bacrash.
So, crash.
Yeah.
As you know, Ntanga, it's Orlando Pirates versus Diori. It's not a league game. It's a Champions League fixture, Ntanga. What would you like to see Coach Ayenza on our first 11? Okay, I did a bit of research in Diori. I saw Uti, they've been doing very well on their local league. Yeah. They have a few wins, like 8 out of 10 games. They won like 8 games, and they have 2 draws. Yeah. So obviously we're gonna do predicted 11. I feel like Ndanga ucoach akumela ukuthi abanyathe kakhulu yangithola into enjani. I think I selected team yakhe it must be a bit strong yangithola into enjani. Don't say ilike eSelesotho ba weak and what not yabona. So what would you like ubona coach 11 yakhe ayibeka ngakhona?
I think uyibeke kahle mfethu. We asinyathi each and every game, whether it's here in South Africa, Lesotho or anywhere mfethu. We're going to take that match serious. But like what I'm telling Amapagania, we're going to crush those guys. Ngeke sidlale nabo. Mfethu number 1 yami, we still go to Sipho mfethu. Sipho Chain has been doing so well. So we're cruising nicely mfethu, asiqhubeke ngayo.
Yeah, Sipho Chain, fully agree with you Ntanga. Right back
uNdlozi. I still go Indlozi angakamboni this season, and I think last season uboy uSpane Grandi simpheni chance naye simbone mfethu.
Yeah, we can put Ndlozi there, and then left back Ntanga.
Left back isihamba ngoNdaba mfethu. uNdaba sibona iglimpse yakhe kancane against iOrbit. I think I like to see umfana omncane adlala futhi, and I think we are deserve mfethu udlala.
Fully agree with you Ntanga. I think unayo uriding deserves ama minutes nyana because yabona Udiwe Nota is almost playing like every single game. The coach is always reluctant to keep a machine. And then centre back,
we don't change mfethu. Asishintshe ibonda lethu because we don't concede fouls. Zilala kamnandi mfethu. Siyema right centre back, Mbokazi left centre back. Ungasiphani mfethu ngalama pass lawo.
I fully agree with you Ntanga because I think coach, as I said, we shouldn't take risk kakhulu. Because we might be on to a surprise. So I think those are solid. They haven't been conceding too many goals. I'm happy with that. And then moving right along to our left wing.
Left wing Ntanga sambeni ngomremi yangithola. Umremi mfethu is our hero currently kubhakania because like it's khonile ukuthola icup. So let's continue ngomremi. Simkaye chance mfethu.
Yeah, I think he deserves a shout.
So
he's been coming in mfethu. He's been doing his thing. He's been quiet. Coach, let's Masimkaye start on the left wing and see what he can produce. And then on the right wing, on the other side.
Right, ama-wingers ethu mfethu abantu abasishintshela igame eMbombela. Still go with Aswina Police. Uyazi-enjoy dog, uyazi-enjoya kakhulu. Asingamiyekini bafethu. Akaqale namhlanje.
No, that's fair as well. Considering as you said, nomremi into wasenzele yona ngale final, mabaqhubeka ngale momentum And then our center midfield
ngathanda ukubona uNemtajela uMasindi. Sibone glimpse of him lela game leliyana lase Mbombela, but I think we like to see him more abe nama minutes. Sibone ukuthi angasigayani la esigubhini.
Yeah. Fully agree with you as well Ntanga. Masindi must get some minutes. Must get some minutes in the team. And then on the other still center midfield, his partner in crime.
Talent awafani. Talent embatha mfethu, talent embatha ukushintsha ibhola Ntanga, ball rotation, ukuwina amabhola, stability in the sense. I think he's been doing that so well. Asingamkhipha akaqhubeke mfethu.
Yeah. Because as well, obviously Umasindi is still young. He needs someone who's going to mentor him and lead him in the middle of the park. We can't put too much inexperience in the team. I think that's a good selection as well. Talent. And then behind striker.
Tito.
Tito must come back.
Patrick Maswanganye mfethu.
Yeah.
Ngiyayikhumbula le nto le yayo yangithola le nto le yokuloko nje usipana kanzima.
Yeah,
I need
yeah,
to see
yeah,
Tito back and like akadlalanga ku final I believe because mekashaya injury. But if meka right kubudlalile, you taking Tito back baba.
Tito must be back, ne?
Yeah.
Obviously Tito must come back bafethu is sibonile ukuthi bamgaye number 10 even there. Even on the 18 that came out for Africa.
Yeah, registered players. Yeah.
No, I think good shout ntanga uTito. Obviously uzosgana nalewe great lesidinga.
Yeah.
And then striking position, I
Mwana
almost know.
Mwana tonight. Asikomota qhubeka nayo mfethu mabase sombona sekenafu.
Do you think ukuthi uzokora ungana sesi namhlanje?
Yeah, I believe Ntanga. I think like ungana sesimfethu. That's why I criticize kangaka.
Yeah.
Is like ukuthi akakora. Yangithola if angakora ubheke like namabhakani yapaya lawa angaboni impact yakhe njengawe. Yeah. I think like mfethu wakora uzobona na uzofuna ukuloko ukuthi adlale ungana sesi.
Do you really think ukuthi uzokora?
Yeah, I believe uzokora but into engicela kuye angamove la akahlale. Yiyo vele into engamcriticize ngayo. Akahlale la uzokuthola igoli.
There you have it Mapagania. The predicted 11 naka Mr Mlambo leyo. Would you like to see the impact on the from the bench?
Bonile ngaphandle Ntanga sinama bullets angakanani? Weapons.
Yeah.
Siphethe umbule. Right, Thoma Rayfetsa. Shiye ngikuphasa kanjani ungabhekanga? Mfethu like ufuna ngibale siphethe nayo uMabasa.
Yeah.
Like mfethu sibilibili mfethu like ungasipha like mfethu we have esinye squad depth. Uyangithola but I believe no radio man ukhona. Like mfethu baningi labantu uyangithola. I think lawo ma player la azo impact igame kakhulu. Khona abanye ngababalanga Dasin I also think ukuthi naye today maye ngathola igame time maybe kube nesapho yakambatha ngena uDasin izosebenza kakhulu.
Yeah. No Ntanga. There you have it Mapagania. That's the predicted 11 naka Mr Mlambo bafethu. We out of here.
Bopa
Pagania.